If you're looking to stop recurring charges on your Chase bank account, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage and cancel those payments effectively. Step 1. Log into your Chase account. Visit the Chase Bank website or open the Chase mobile app. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Account Activity. Once logged in, go to the Account Activity section. This area displays all your transactions, including any recurring charges that may be set up. Step 3. Identify recurring charges. Look for transactions that appear regularly, such as monthly subscriptions or memberships. Take note of the merchant names and the amounts charged. Step 4. Cancel the subscription. Visit the website of the service provider associated with the recurring charge. Log into your account with them and look for an option to manage or cancel your subscription. Follow their specific instructions to stop the payments. Step 5. Monitor your account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can effectively manage and stop any unwanted recurring charges on your Chase bank account.